Today, the start of the trial on the most serious charges yet in the January 6th attack. The founder and 4 members of the Oath Keepers are charged with seditious conspiracy. News 8's Cody Adams is on the story and joins us live with what to expect from the trial. Cody?
Scott, opening statements begin in what prosecutors call a weeks-long plot by Stewart Rhodes and his associates to stop the transfer of power between Donald Trump and Joe Biden. The 5 defendants, Stewart Rhodes, Jessica Watkins, Killy Meggs, Kenneth Harrelson, and Thomas Caldwell, all face up to 20 years if convicted. The jury will be sworn in first today. Attorneys chose 9 men and 7 women last week after 3 days of questioning. 4 jurors will serve as alternates. The Justice Department will try to prove the Capitol attack was not spontaneous and that Rhodes began plotting to overturn Biden's victory just days after the election. Federal prosecutors say Rhodes spent weeks rallying his followers to prepare for violence. Court records show the Oath Keepers organized trainings and stashed weapons at a Virginia hotel to get them to Washington quickly. Rhodes is not accused of storming the Capitol, though telephone records show he communicated with Oath Keepers who did enter. Rhodes' lawyers will argue that jurors cannot find him guilty because all the actions he took before January 6th were in preparation for orders he thought were going to come from Trump, which did not happen. The Justice Department has not secured a seditious conspiracy conviction in trial in 30 years.
This is when at least 2 or more people get together and try to plot to overthrow the government. Now, this is a Civil War era charge, and it's not used very often, in part because it can be difficult to prove. Just talking about it is not enough. Prosecutors have to show there was a concrete plan in place to actually do this. And so the charge is not used very often, and prosecutors don't always get the conviction they're looking for.
Rhodes' attorney says his client will take the stand. All 5 defendants are pleading not guilty in this case. Reporting live in Indianapolis, Cody Adams, Wish TV, wishtv.com, and follow us on Facebook.
Cody.